Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team. And guys, today let's talk about what a business loan, small business loans in this case, because I know that a lot of you have a business, either startup or you already have a business, you want to scale, you want to raise some funds in order to get your dream or your business going, because that's what we're here for, guys. I want to be sure that I bring to you some of the terms so you understand some of the loans that are available to you, and also have a full understanding on how to go about it and how we can help you going forward. But guys, hey, if you're here today, thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Carlos. I am the Credit Assassin. This is the Credit Assassins team. Now, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon and click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post new content, and that is daily, guys. Now, but at the same time, give me the thumbs up, because this is gonna help us tremendously in order to take this content, this value to many more people, because our goal is to help many of you to actually get the lending that you need in order for you to actually accomplish the dreams that you want with your own business. Remember that our personal goal in the Credit Assassins team is to be able to help 100,000 businesses by the year 2025 and be able to actually acquire between $1 to $2 billion in lending. So guys, that's an audacious goal that we want your help with, because we want to make sure that I help you and we help you with everything that we have available. So what are small business loans? Small business loans are a type of financing given to a small business for different situations by different lenders. Just as simple as that, as long as you meet the criteria and the underwriting criteria and also the compliance that every bank has, and you'll be able to get a small business loan. So now let's go to see what small business loans are available to you. All right, guys, so the first type of business loan, it will be a small business line of credit. Now, a small business line of credit is just like a business credit card. Just like in your personal credit card, you are allowed to borrow as much as you have on that credit line available, and make sure that you pay them over time at a fixed rate. Now, you are allowed to continue to do this over and over as long as you don't go over your available balance. Second type of business loan, it will be the account receivable financings. Account receivable finances is this type of financing in which you take your receivable or your outstanding invoices and you sell them to a lender in order for you to receive an early pay. Now, sometimes this may you may lose some money by doing so, because you're selling it at a lower price. Obviously, they are in the business of making money, and just like you need the money in order to spend for marketing, payroll, or any emergencies that might come up with your business. All right, so the other type of financing will be working capital loans. Now, unlike the regular loans that are intended to be paid over time in a long term, and they specifically are for an asset or investment within your business, working capital loans are intended to be used for your everyday operations. Now, some of the everyday operations could be payroll, could be rent, could be a debt that you have in your business. Now, something that you have to keep in mind that sometimes these working capital loans can be attached, and for the most part, it will be attached to your personal Social Security. So, doing the opposite of what working capital loans. So, small business term loans are a type of loan in which you get a fixed lump sum of capital at a fixed term and with a fixed interest rate. Now, this is used to pay for different investments on your business, and they usually range from 5 to 6 years on term, but it can be helpful in order for you to, if you know that your business has an investment that is going to double, triple, or it's going to help scale the everyday operations of your business, this would be a good type of loan in order for you to use. All right, so the other type of lending is the SBA, a small business loan. Now, the SBA loan is a small business loan guaranteed by the U.S. Small Business Administration. And the guarantee means is that if you fail to pay, the SBA or the Small Business Administration guarantee a portion of that. Now, the way it works is that they will guarantee up to 85% if your loan was 150,000 or less, and 75% if it's 150,000 and larger. Now, the other type of loan is equipment loans. So equipment loans for a small business. And what they do is they help you replace existing or deteriorated equipment, or allow you to gain a new type of equipment that you may need for your business. Now, at the same time, you have to keep in mind that this one will actually be a collateral. By you buying the equipment, you become a collateral against the loan. Now, the other type of loan or the other type of investment or loan that the small business will give you, or small business loan available for small business, is a small business credit cards. And just like a credit card on your personal side, you have to qualify. There's many factors that you need to do. You need to lay the foundation for your business in order to qualify and to have the business credit score in order to qualify for that certain credit cards. So you have to keep in mind that there's a lot of information that you need to do. Just like what we do here in the 360 Business Vantage, we could definitely help you. We show you all the compliance items that you need to meet in order to meet all of these business loans criteria in compliance by all the US banks. So now let's talk about where you can go to get these business loans. Now, the first one that we're going to talk about is direct online lenders. You could Google them. You could go out there and see how many are there. But one of the things that I'll advise you to do is always work with a broker, somebody that actually knows what type of lending are there, because unfortunately there's a lot of scammers in the net. But you can also Google reputable companies that could be online lenders. You also have your large commercial banks and your small and large community banks. Something that I advise everybody is to go like to a credit union. Credit union is local to you. Most of the time they are working with small businesses, and they are also backed by the SBA. Now, you also have sites in which you have peer-to-peer lending, and this is our small other investors looking to invest into small businesses for a piece of the pie. So that's something that you may have to ask yourself, am I willing to give a piece of the pie in order for somebody to help me out and allow me to increase and to scale to the next level? Now, you also have your SBA, so SBA loans. Now, not every bank works with SBA, so you could go to the sba.gov or find out a representative that is local to you and find out what programs are available to you. As for example, with me, I'm in the military and getting out of the military, and I was able to find out many programs that are available through the SBA for veterans. So, hey guys, I will advise you, just Google your representative, and if you can qualify for them, SBA is one of those criteria that you may meet, but it's one of those programs that I'll advise you to go with. All right, so how do you qualify for a business loan? There are three things that I want you to know. First of all, you need to build your personal and business credit scores. Now guys, you need to learn the compliance items that every bank may need, especially if you go for an SBA, which is the toughest one. You need to learn those. And third, you need to have a business plan. You need to learn your business inside and out, back and forth, and that's what a business plan will do for you. So I need you to start learning the compliance and learning what we do. Now guys, in the 360 Business Vantage, this is a software that we are going to be able to help you and give you a full scan of your business. Tell you what you qualify, what you don't qualify, what you need and you may not need. And we're also going to give you the resources in order for you to fix it and make it happen. Now guys, I want to make sure that this is clear and concise to everybody. The 360 Business Vantage is a solution for your problem today. You want to get financing? This is where you want to be. Guys, hey, I appreciate that you guys were here today with us. If you are interested in this software and how to get it, it's still in beta, it's still not launched, but we are in a waiting list. And I want you to make sure that you get in for free. So this is what I want you to do. I need you to go to this number in the bottom of the video. I need you to call. Make sure you get yourself on the waiting list, because this software is going to revolutionize what we do as businesses. Our goal is to help 100,000 new businesses to gain at least $1 billion to $2 billion in lending, and we gotta make it happen. Do you want to be part of it? It's entirely up to you. Now guys, my name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin. I appreciate that you guys were here today. Make sure that you subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Give me the thumbs up so like that we could share this content with many more people. But I appreciate overall that you guys were here with us today. Thank you for listening. Give us a comment, let us know how we did, how we can improve this content for you, and what else you guys may want to know when it comes down to business. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase